Get ready for 10 tips and tricks in Matlab you wish you knew right from the beginning when you started learning Matlab. But who's actually watching those videos right at the beginning when they start learning something? All those videos are called "You wish you knew right from the beginning," but nobody watches them right from the beginning. Why is that? Anyway, have fun with this video that you wish you knew right from the beginning. So first off, start every script with those 3 lines. This will reset your software, meaning that Matlab will look like as if you just opened the program. Clear all will clear all variables, functions, etc. from your workspace. Close all will close any additional windows as open figures. And CLC will clear your command window. You can use semicolons to suppress the output of your code. Without the semicolon, the output appears. With the semicolon, no output is shown. This can save you some time and improve the readability of your code, but you can decide whether to use semicolons or not, depending on your preferences. Should you need some quick help about a function, you can of course Google it. Or you use the expression help followed by the name of the function. This will provide a concise overview of how the function works. You get more information, however, by using the expression doc. This will open an additional window which provides detailed information about how the function works, including some examples of how to use the function. Should you want to access the last element of, for example, a vector, you can use the expression end. In this case, we can refer to the number 9 of our vector x. You can also refer to the second last element by going one step back in respect to the last element of the vector. To this end, you write end minus 1. This will extract the number 7 of our vector x. You can of course go as many steps back as you want, not only one step. And here I extract the second element of vector x up until the second last element of vector x. In case you want to extract certain values of a vector, so values that are, for example, greater than 5 or smaller equal 3, you can use logical indexing. Simply put the condition your values are supposed to fulfill in parentheses, and Matlab will tell you which values meet the condition. So which values in x are greater than 5? The values 7 and 9. And which values in x are smaller than or equal 3? The values 1 and 3. You can time your code using the expression tick-tock. In particular, the code in between tick and tock will be timed. Here, for example, you can see now that this for loop with a semicolon takes around 6 milliseconds. Without a semicolon, however, the output is not suppressed, but displayed 1000 times, so that it takes around 600 milliseconds now, 100 times longer. So here you can see now how suppressing the output can accelerate your code tremendously. Sometimes Matlab can be stuck. Maybe you accidentally produce a never-ending execution process, like this while loop here. It is never-ending because h will always be smaller than 5. Instead of waiting forever, you can simply press Ctrl+C to stop the current process. You can see whether Matlab is still executing your code if it says busy in the bottom left corner of your interface. After pressing Ctrl+C, it should either say ready or nothing at all, depending on your version of Matlab. Should you be tired of typing the same code again and again, then just press the arrow up key in the command window to access all formerly executed commands. If you like the sections functionality of live scripts, but you still want or have to use a normal script, you can still divide your normal script into sections. You can use 1 percentage sign to add a comment to your code, but 2 percentage signs will create a section, and then Matlab will always highlight the current section in yellow. There are basically 3 ways to execute your script. First, you can run the whole script by clicking on Run or using the shortcut F5. Alternatively, you can run only a section by clicking on Run Section or using the shortcut Ctrl-Enter. And finally, you can highlight the code you want to execute and press F9.